Kansas City, Missouri today, waiting to board the Amtrak. This is my yearly Katy Trail tour. I'm taking the Amtrak from Jeff City up to Lee Summit. Day one, Katy Trail tour, just out leaving the motel in Lee Summit. First little town is Greenwood, between Lee Summit and Pleasant Hill. Jeff here in Pleasant Hill, finally made it to Rock Island Spur. Take a little break here and we'll head out. Getting ready to leave Medford. Next town or next stop, next trailhead is, I think it's pronounced Katy, something like that. If anybody knows, leave me a message. That's 9.8 miles. See you there. Just getting ready to leave Katy. The next trailhead is Leeton. It's like 8.5 miles. There's Katy. They don't even have a trailhead. Just a port potty. I don't know if there's any plans in the future to build one or not. Town for the day. Camp there at the Katy Rock Junction. See you there.